If you already have Apple's Lightning to headphone jack connector, you can use that with an adapter, or they actually have directly Lightning to microphone and headphone splitters. I'll show you why you need that in a moment. In order to connect a microphone with an 1/8" jack to your iPhone, you'll need a TRRS connection. You'll know that connection because you'll see 3 black lines on the headphone jack looking connector. This is different than a typical headphone jack, which only has 2 black lines for stereo left and right. TRRS will have 3 black lines, 2 for headphones and 1 for microphone. Apple's Lightning to headphone adapter can do this, but then you'll also need a second adapter. We'll put a link to this in the video description, but this is a TRRS connection and it will split out the microphone and headphone connections so you can plug in a microphone and headphones separately. So if we connect this adapter to our iPhone, we can then connect a shotgun microphone with an 1/8" jack into the microphone side of this adapter, then plug your headphones into the headphone side of the adapter. This way you can hear your participants. Now you can enter your Riverside Studio like normal, and when it asks about a wired connection, this is what happens when you have a splitter like this, you're actually going to say no. When you say no, you will use your headphone connected to the splitter and it will work properly in the studio. Hitting yes would require you to toggle back and forth between speaking and listening, and you don't need to do that with this setup. So tap no. Now in the Riverside Studio, you'll see we're getting 4K video here from our iPhone, and it's actually using the headphones as the audio input. While it sees headphones, it's actually using the shotgun microphone we just connected. Now you can use one less adapter. You can get an adapter like this on Amazon. We'll put a link in the video description. This has a Lightning connector on one side and then splits out the headphone and microphone jacks here on the other side of the adapter. So if we plug this into our iPhone and then plug our shotgun microphone into the microphone side of this adapter, you see we get the same message and we're still going to choose no. And now we're using the shotgun microphone with the Riverside app using our adapter. And again, you'll want to plug your headphones into the headphone side of this adapter so you can hear the other participants on the call. Not only can you use built-in Lightning microphones and shotgun microphones with the 1/8" jack audio out, but you can even use lapel microphones on the go. This is the Rode Wireless Go 2, but it can also work with other lapel microphones that have that 1/8" jack audio out. And you can even have multiple participants. This set came with 2 microphones, so you and someone else in person can actually go into the Riverside app and participants remotely from your phone can hear you and your other in-person guest. The Rode Wireless Go 2 has the 1/8" jack right here as an audio output. And again, you can connect 2 microphones. Here we just have one connected, but I'm going to use it as a lapel. This is the microphone that you would put on you or your in-person guest, and it's receiving the audio. The other nice thing about the Rode Wireless Go 2 is it's actually recording audio locally to this device as it's being transmitted to the Riverside app. So if anything ever happens to the recording, you can actually connect this to your computer with a USB-C cable and pull the uncompressed WAV file directly off the microphone. So now I'm going to go out of the Rode receiver here with this 1/8" cable, go into the microphone jack on our Lightning adapter, connect the Lightning adapter to our iPhone, again hit no, and then plug your headphones into the headphone jack on this adapter, and you can use dual lapel mics with your iPhone.